You search for how to buy shares of Vera Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biopharma focused on autoimmune therapies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Vera. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search and type the ticker VERA to find the company listing. Select the result that shows Vera Therapeutics on NASDAQ to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's Vera Therapeutics. Make sure the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker is Vera. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a direct link to eToro and more details, check the description below.